Hi everyone. Today we're tackling a topic that's essential for staying hydrated and replenishing electrolytes. Homemade electrolyte drinks. Whether you're recovering from a workout, battling a bout of dehydration, or just looking for a natural alternative to store-bought sports drinks, these recipes have got you covered. Let's dive into 5 refreshing and easy-to-make options. First up, a citrus electrolyte drink. Combine fresh orange juice, coconut water for hydration, a pinch of sea salt for electrolytes, and honey for natural sweetness. Mix well and chill before serving. Next, a watermelon electrolyte refresher. Blend fresh watermelon chunks with coconut water, a squeeze of lime juice for flavor, and a sprinkle of salt. Strain if desired and serve over ice. Coconut water electrolyte drink. For a simple option, try coconut water on its own. It's naturally rich in potassium and electrolytes, perfect for rehydrating after exercise or on a hot day. Green tea electrolyte boost. If you prefer a caffeinated option, brew green tea and let it cool. Mix with honey or agave syrup for sweetness, a pinch of salt for electrolytes, and fresh lemon juice. Chill and enjoy. Lastly, a DIY sports drink. Combine water, freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice, a bit of honey or maple syrup, and a pinch of salt. Shake well until everything is dissolved and chilled. And there you have it, 5 homemade electrolyte drink recipes to keep you hydrated and feeling great. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to channel for more DIY recipes and health tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.